Hello. Can you hear me? Hello?
Elijah, can you see us?
I can see you barely. I can see some outlines, and I can see some shells in the background.
Yes. Hello?
Hello? Hey, guys.
Hey, Elijah, can you see us?
I can see three outlines of faces, but you all look black, but you look really black. It's kind of like me being in a big white room and all you see is a white outline of a face. Is there a breakup? I can't hear you.
Okay, let's try to change the background and see.
Maybe if you go at a different angle.
We are trying to adjust the back. How is it now?
That's better. That's better. But
all right.